Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 12T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps on this smartphone. First of all, go into Settings, then scroll down and tap on Apps section. Following that, choose Dual Apps and tap on Create. Now tap on the switcher next to an app that you wish to clone, in my case Amazon Shopping. Then just turn on in the pop-up and wait. Now when I go back and try to find my Amazon app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete your cloned app though, you need to go back into the same settings and tap on the same No Blue switcher. Then select OK over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!